Hamilton's professional brush range has a premium bristle blend, and it is ideal for all types of paints and varnishes. I'm making an economical primer coat for a SupaWood frame, so I'm mixing a little bit of water with some wood glue just to thin it out to make it like a PVA consistency. So my economical primer coat, that's the wood glue and water dilution. I'm applying it with Hamilton's 25mm professional brush. And what's nice about this economical primer coat, it blocks the porosity of the wood, meaning that when I paint over this primer, when it's dry, I'm not going to get continuous absorption into the SupaWood, because SupaWood is very, very porous. So I'm applying just a thin coat of this economical primer coat. And what I like about it as well, it dries quickly. So within an hour, you can apply your top coats. I'm now painting with a chrome aluminium silver paint, which is generally used for galvanized iron roofs and steel fencing where durable silver finish is required. But I'm using my primed wooden frame. I'm giving it one nice coat. Because it's solvent-based, we're going to leave it overnight to dry. And then we're going to do a little kind of a technique over the silver. But we'll get to that after it's completely dried overnight. The frame's a bit big on the inside for the photograph, so I've made a border, an inner border with some cardboard, thin white cardboard that I've cut to size, and I'm just spraying it with a matte black spray paint. As you can see, white cardboard, just spraying it matte black. I've got a small piece of sponge that I've soaked in turps and just squeeze it out. I'm now using an artist oil tube in black and just putting a few dots onto the sponge. And I then wipe these dots onto my silver paint. So it gives it more of a pewtery look. You can wipe on, wipe off, turn the sponge around to the clean side, wipe some of the excess off, apply some more, just play with it. If you get too many lines, then just use your clean Hamilton's professional brush. It's nice and clean and dry, and lightly feather over what you've done to kind of soften out the whole technique. Just to take any lines away, it really just softens it out. So I've got my black cutout, I've put it into place. Now the photograph will go in that border. So using Hamilton's professional paintbrush, you're going to get the perfect finish. But it's a brush for so many things, hence the word professional. It's a decent, top-of-the-range quality brush, and you're going to get the perfect finish. Thank you from me, BernieB.